In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see when Instagram account was created. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to someone's profile for which you want to check the creation date. I can just open up someone's Instagram profile, and all we have to do now in order to check the creation date for that particular profile is just click or tap at these three dots at the top right, and then just select about this account, and that will show us date joined, and there it says July 2021. So that's exact month and year that account was created. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.